In this design, we have a series of 3 steps leading to a raised entertaining area. We'd like to indicate that we're moving from this lower area up to the entertaining area. So from library, we can go to details and choose arrows and select an arrow that may work for us. So we'll insert that arrow into this drawing, and like so. Now, for mine, that arrow, it's come in as a convenient block, but it's a little too large. So I'll select it and then scale it. Click somewhere at the base and type maybe 0.5, and we've lowered or reduced the size of that block by half, so we can still move it into position. The idea is to indicate that the steps move up. Now, as I look at that design, to have someone walk from a house, maybe through some sliding doors out onto a pathway, and then move across some paved area through here to those steps, the steps themselves are wrongly positioned. Let's draw a construction line from the intersection of these two here to the centre of that circle, that arc, that denotes, I'll exit from there, the entertaining area. It'd be much better if we moved out, stood here, and the steps led us to the entertaining area. So what we want to do now, the best thing to do is to find that this angle, it's an angle of 43 degrees, 43.32. So if we selected, wrap a box around these and selected everything, and we've already also got the text, so we'll just take the text out by holding the shift key down, and whoops, let me try that again and exit from there. I need to try that again. I want to grab everything inside that enclosed circle, hold the shift key down and click on the text to remove the text. Now right click and rotate, and as a centre point, I'm being asked for a base point, we'll click in the centre there and type minus 42.23, and that didn't work. Let's try it again. I was probably not watching the prompts carefully enough. Right click, select rotate, nominate a base point, the centre of that circle, now the rotation angle minus 42.32, and the whole of that should twist to the left, and it does, so I wasn't paying close enough attention. Now I type 42.32, I think I typed 42.32 rather than 43. But from my point of view, that's certainly going to be near enough, but you might strive for more precision. I'll now remove that line there. So now the design is sort of taking shape. Anyone, if this is a family room with some sliding doors leading to the outside, the eye is being drawn to the water feature here and to an existing tall deciduous tree in that position there. You might go on site and measure the diameter, and if the diameter of that tree is in fact not as large as we've measured, we can say what is the diameter of that tree. It's only 4 metres, so if you're out on site and it measured 8 metres, you might want to scale it in the same way that we did before and scale that by 2. Now our tree overhangs our areas, in fact providing a little shade in this area through here. So our design is taking shape.